love that video. Yeah. All right. I don't know. Hey, welcome to 2 p.m. with Tim, live from the back lot. May edition. I'm a little late. I wanted to get this video started a smidge earlier. But we had our company call at ACV today, and it ran a little bit late. So many great things going on at Max, ACV, Drivably, Monk. I mean, lots of stuff to share. Can't share publicly, but I'll say things are going great. As challenging as the auto industry is right now, we are just having a bang up month. Things are going really, really good. So what do we got going on? It's time to talk a little bit of spring cleaning, maybe. Right? What's going on in the marketplace today? You know, it's if people ask me, it's normal. Well, what do you mean, Tim? It's normal. So, prices finished up last year really, really high, right? That $10,000 car is now worth $15,000 at the end of the year. The green line down here at the bottom represents from Black Book, where prices are. Yeah, we saw prices come back a little bit, but it's normal depreciation. The thing is, stuff is just so high, it doesn't feel normal, right? And that's inflation, and I'm not going to get into that. This is what Black Book is saying. You're probably feeling it. This is what MMR and Cox Automotive is, saying. So, their index is up super, super high. All right, enough with that. How do you stay relevant? What do you do to, stay on top of your game? Here's my recommendations. One, know your inventory. I was with some guys this week. I was really impressed with the this one young man I worked with. He knew every car on the lot. It just reminded me of the days where I was at when I was at CarMax, and we didn't we touched every car. I mean, you had a buying log. I mean, this kid knew every car inside and out. The thing that I would tell and challenge you guys today is you need to drive your inventory to become affordable. So what does that mean? If you're at a BMW store and your average cost of inventory is 42 grand, I would try and drive it to 39,000. If you're at a Chrysler store and your average cost of inventory is 27, try to get to 24. If you're at a Kia or a Hyundai store and you're at 24, try and get to 22. Whatever it is, you got to become affordable. Make it so that entry-level customer, because that customer needs a car. Right? You want people to be able to still get into your brand, come into your dealership. 2, keep your 30-day plus inventory real close to you. All right. So any cars over 30 days, you need to be touching, maybe physically, certainly digitally, double checking photos, double checking the description, double checking the equipment, high value packages. If you're on Max, check on the digital showroom. If it's 45 days and older, dude, you've got that car parked up front. You've probably re-washed it. You've re-stickered it. Ask your salespeople what's wrong with that vehicle or what's right with that vehicle. And then number 3, be conscious of your customer's time, but don't rush. What do I mean? I'm seeing, I posted a thing before about how CarMax can appraise your vehicle in like 3 minutes or 2 minutes to get an offer. That's great. I think customers, while they're on their path to the purchase or their journey to a buy, want to be you to be conscious of their time. But at the same time, it's about the experience. Okay. Make it feel like you're cognizant and conscious of their time, but don't rush the deal and make mistakes and cost yourself money. We're at a critical time right now where certain cars are going to be worth more than others, and you need to make sure you're maximizing every deal. What does that mean? Man, you got any unicorns? Those are the pieces of inventory that I don't think you could fear to pay too much, or when you do have them, definitely step up and price those things up. Right? What's a unicorn? Something that's hard to find, right? Hard to replace. I gotta turn off my Slack here. Just bothering me left and right, right? So boom, boom, boom. We'll just put that away. hard to find, hard to hard to replace. Customers are probably calling you, price that inventory up right away. What's new at Max? So we recently introduced a feature inside Max Reports around the share feature. So if you want to have a conversation with one of your guys at in the dealership or within your group about a certain report, click on the share button. That will bring up this share feature. Type in their email address, send them a little message, and it sends them an email with the link to that report, the view that you had. It's a pretty cool little tool. What else? So we introduced which is something which is way different for us at Max, called Max Auto Match. Historically, we've been a IMS provider that really allows or forces or challenges the dealer to do the work to build your competitive set. And we've taken some heat for that over the years, but I honestly, I feel like it's the way that you can build value and hold gross when you can experience that same journey the customer goes on when it comes to finding a vehicle. But we've listened to the dealers and we've created Max Auto Match. So with this feature on inside Max, we will automatically price your car plus or minus 10,000 miles from the average of your vehicle. And then we'll automatically drill down to transmission, certification level, drivetrain, engine type, and fuel type. So we really are boiling the ocean down for you, as opposed to asking you to do it yourself. This is a feature that has to be turned on one-on-one. It's a custom feature. So reach out to your account executive, reach out to me. We can get this turned on for you. Right. So right there. If you didn't know, it was 11 years this week for me at Max. ACV celebrates it because that's the parent company. They're the ones who write my paycheck. But it's been a great run. Some really good friends and experiences, and I can't thank everybody enough. What I would say is that if you've got people on your team, I would challenge you to recognize them along the way. It felt good to be called out for working someplace for 10, 11 years by some people I never thought were thinking about me. And so get a chance, maybe you can do the same for somebody else today. So thank you. Here's to the next 11 years. Couple of things not to miss. There was a great video this week from Jay and Ty, the guys over at ATI. They did a couple of live remote videos from Digital Dealer down in Tampa. Don't miss that. Check those things out. You can find them on YouTube. Just search ATI. There is an event in June up in Chicago, presented by Cars.com and LotPop. Jason Rice and the guys, and Alex Vetter, Tommy Gibbs, couple of really big time, used car minds. It's a full day. It's for free. All you got to do is get to Chicago. I'm going to do my best to get there. Signed up. We'll see what happens. I'm going to try and do this. And then finally, there was a great episode of Clubhouse on the Clubhouse this morning. All things used cars. It was their 52nd, so they're 1 year in. Names from across the industry chiming in about what they've learned, what they've shared. It was a pretty good episode. The thing about this Clubhouse, I mean, they bring it up on the discussion. This is content that you might likely pay thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars to go to a conference or NADA to see and hear and listen to these people. And it's all for free every Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern on the Clubhouse. It's an Apple app. So that's me, Tim Scoutless, live from the back lot. You can get a hold of me. There's my email. There's my phone number. Good luck. Have a great rest of the May. It's a long month. It's Memorial Day weekend. June is the one that you're all trying to survive for. Sell them all. You can always buy more. See you guys.